This is how I want them, like really dirty.
Yeah, really good.
I already scrubbed that one. Yeah. So I scrub everything and then I rinse everything out. Take this thing out here. Yeah, but that was not a good example yet. Yeah.
I read it the Red Doctor.
Uh-huh.
And you wouldn't believe. I did it with my aunt at her house, and it was white. It's cream carpet.
Right.
And man, I swear, first I thought, oh, wasn't it? You wouldn't believe how clean it. Just with the Rug Doctor, we did it. It was cream color. She has that all the she has 4 kids, her grandchildren, running it out, and it's like light color, real light color carpet, way lighter than this, and the down thing got clean.
That's good.
Yeah, but just a Rug Doctor. Yeah.
Yeah, Rug Doctors, they're portable.
So my sister says this carpet, when they get the Rug Doctor, that it leaves it soaking wet. Yeah, that they can't do it with the Rug Doctor, this carpet. Maybe it's the padding, because you can feel the padding's real big underneath.
See? Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but she says that,
So on the other carpet, the Rug Doctor worked really good, and here it didn't.
Yeah. Here my sister says they tried the Rug Doctor, and it leaves it soaking wet. I don't know why, but shit, I used it at my aunt's, and I just, man, that carpet was filthy. And I did take pictures. Do I have them? Still have to look for them. Yeah, I took pictures and so is there like, is that just water steam coming out or soap?
I have a detergent in there.
Detergent?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So it's a mild cleaner. It wouldn't be good enough to clean this carpet without scrubbing.
Oh.
Yeah, this one I have to really, I already scrubbed it. I spent. Oh yeah, no, talking about Rug Doctors.
What?
I did one job in Cupertino. The doctor, the dentist, secretary called me, and she's like, "Oh yeah, the doctor tried cleaning the carpet." And you should have seen it. It was pretty funny. The carpet had like all this like white line, like a white line, a white line, a white line, and it was like white line and dirt, grease, white line. And I was like, "How did you guys get those white lines on the carpet?" He's like, "Well, the doctor tried cleaning it himself, so he couldn't do it."
Oh.
You know, and it's kind of funny. And then another time, so I cleaned the carpet, came out great.
Oh.
And then another one, the guy he moved in. They didn't clean the carpet, so he cleaned it, and he borrowed his brothers or friends Rock Doctor.
Yeah.
And then he called me after that. You know, he's like, hey, I can't get this thing cleaned.
Oh, he wanted you to come finish it?
Well, finish, start. He never.
Wow.
He never
Hey,
got
what
it.
do you think about the chem-dry?
You know, chem-dry now is similar to this. They use steam now.
They do?
Yeah. They don't use
They don't just use chemicals?
they used to spray it and use a bonnet like I did earlier. In fact, that system I did earlier is basically the chem-dry method. Basically, I mean they use different machine, different chemicals and everything, but basically that's the old way they used to do it. I don't think they do it like that anymore.
I know my sister, not my sister, my cousin, her husband, they were married for like a year, but he used to do that. The chem-dry is so, where I have my own place, the owner of it, he owned his own business, so he went there and did it, and it came out clean, but he just said, it don't last. It doesn't stay clean for a long time.
It doesn't.
Like it came up right away and showed that.
Maybe that's the old style.
Yeah, it was the old way. This was,
Yeah.
This is already like, 10 years ago.
Because now I don't think they do it like that. Maybe they probably still have the option to do it. I don't know.
Yeah.
But I know that they use truck mounted equipment. But it's not powerful. It's not that, what I've seen. It's not that powerful. Like my machine, it's pretty powerful. That's why I like this machine. So I get. So nowadays, chem-dry is kind of the same as steam cleaning. That's really what it is. I'm sure somebody will correct me and say, nope, you're wrong. It's not like that. It's something special. But based on the equipment that I've seen, it's truck mounted now. It's a good, it's a good company name. But look at that. See, I did this whole area first, and now you can see over here where.
They just see that little square.
Yeah, it's like brown. That.
You did in a little bit of the closet?
I did the whole closet already.
Oh, you did?
Oh yeah.
Oh, good. I can't see it.
No, I don't take any. When I clean the carpet, I clean the edges, the corners, behind the door, the closets, both sides.
Oh yeah.
I don't take shortcuts, because if I take a shortcut, then what's going to happen? Someone's going to call me and say, "Hey, you didn't clean the closet," and then I have to come back and clean the closet. So I don't do shortcuts. It's not worth it. You got to do the job right. So as people say, "Do you clean the edges?" I'll say, "Yeah." They'll ask me again, "Did you clean the edges?" "Yeah." "Did you clean the edges?" "Go touch it." Then I don't tell them, "Yeah." I say, "You know what? You asked me 3 times. You obviously don't believe me, so go touch it yourself. If that's wet, if that's not wet, I'll clean the whole room again. But if that's wet, then you know I did it."
Right.
See that? I'm going real slow. Normally we can go faster, but
It's gonna be clean out.
it almost seems like it's easy, but believe me, it's not that easy. I did a lot of work just to loosen everything up.
Wow.
Scrub it.
Needed it. The carpet was dirty.
Everything was dirty. Oh, every wall to wall, the whole thing.
Yeah.